The German-designed and engineered K5 Smart Control high pressure washer is part of the first ever app-connected pressure washer range from the leading cleaning technology brand Kärcher. This is a powerful electric pressure washer and it produces a whopping 2300 psi with an extra 220 psi when using the boost function. And with the new Karcher Home and Garden app, you can get the perfect settings and guidance for whatever you're cleaning. This model features Kärcher's advanced nozzle technology, which gives a wider spray for the nozzle, helping you get the job done quicker without compromising on performance. It also features a water-cooled motor, which helps keep the motor cooler for longer, allowing you to clean more and tackle those bigger jobs around the home. Once registered with Kärcher, this machine is supported by a 7-year warranty. Karcher electric pressure washers feature a push and twist system that makes it super easy to attach the lances as well as the wide range of accessories. The 3-in-1 multi-jet allows you to easily switch between a Vario power lance, dirt blaster and detergent applicator with a simple twist. The dirt blaster in particular is exceptionally great for the stubborn dirt on brick walls, concrete or any hard surfaces. Once the lance is in position, you can adjust the water pressure from soft to hard with the Smart Control gun, ensuring you are using the optimal pressure for each cleaning task. Or you can use the Home and Garden app to take care of the settings for you. There's also a plug and clean detergent system. You simply flip your Kärcher detergent bottle upside down, plug it into the machine and you're ready to go. Kärcher has the widest range of electric pressure washer accessories on the market and you can use all of them with this machine, from wash brushes to patio cleaners and even the popular foam jet. The K5 features a telescopic handle, so you can wheel it to wherever you want to clean quite comfortably and easily. The handle is completely retractable for easy storage, and the lances can also be stored snugly onto the unit itself. Another great feature is the hose reel for neatly storing the high pressure hose after use. The K5 is available on its own or complete with suitable accessories and detergents to get you started on your cleaning tasks. For more information or to check out the full range of Karcher pressure washers, head to karcher.com.au.